Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. We recently spoke about incense and then we spoke about mudras for the different chakras. While we were having discussions with our like-minded people, we started talking about rings, different rings with different stones on them, and how they can help in our purposes. While it is very true that different stones have different crystalline and physical and even chemical properties which attract or repel certain characteristics, certain energies of the universe into us or outside of us, we have to be very careful as to which stones are being used for which purposes and on which hands they are being put on. So here is a video on how to wear a ring to boost your purpose. Before we move on to the rings in themselves, we have to understand our hands. The right hand is usually considered the masculine hand, and this hand is also considered as the hand of action. In majority of the people, the right hand is the hand which is dominant, and whether or not it is physically dominant, it is aurically dominant. So this hand is known as the masculine hand, and this is the hand that gives or transmits energy. The left hand is considered as the feminine counterpart of the masculine hand because its energy is more of thinking and contemplative type. It has more yin energy compared to the right hand's yang energy. This is the creative hand, and this is the hand that receives, that takes in information, that takes in emotions, and that takes in energy. Now that we know about the hands, let's find out about the fingers. The different fingers are governed by different planets, astrological planets. The thumb is represented as the thumb itself, or fire. This index finger is the finger governed by Jupiter, the middle finger by Saturn, the ring finger by Venus, and the little finger by Mercury. The thumb represents the fire, which means the will. This can be related to relationships, friendships, and determination. This can also be linked with love and business. And this thumb is all about your attitude towards the world. The stones that are suitable on the thumb are garnet, carnelian, and shiny red ruby. This index finger is governed by the planet Jupiter, and this finger is all about leadership and executive abilities, the state of being authoritative, the state or the ability of taking decisions. This is the leadership finger, the pointy finger. And the stones that are suitable on the Jupiter finger are amethyst, lapis lazuli, and blue topaz. The third finger, the middle finger, is the finger governed by Saturn, and this is the finger linked with righteousness. This is the finger of separating the right from the wrong. This is the finger related with justice, what your perspective, what your attitude is toward being just in life. And this finger is also the finger of self-analysis and contemplation, or self-criticism. The stones suggested for this finger are rose quartz, coral, and pearl. The Venus finger. Guess why this is the Venus finger? This is the ring finger. This is where you put your wedding rings on. This is the finger of creativity, of love, of romantic relationships, of self-expression, and the love of beauty. And the stones suggested for this finger are green jade, turquoise, moonstone, and rose quartz. The final finger, the little finger, the Mercury finger, this finger is governed by the planet Mercury. Now this finger is all about intuition. This finger is all about your artistic abilities. And this finger is also about your art of persuasion, your ability of making others see what you see and bringing them on your boat. And the stones that help with these abilities in this finger are amber, moonstone, and citrine. So this was a small video, a crash course on how to wear rings properly on which hands and for what purposes. If you think the content of this video helped you in any way, do not forget to press the like button. Do not forget to leave comments first. Your comments are what motivate us into making new videos. Do not forget to share this with a friend who might like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.